Starting around 19 July 2023, Algorand sort of is exchanging at 11 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.06% in sort of most recent 60 minutes, which explicitly is very critical. Algo especially has an especially all-out market cap of $881,991,276, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $56,856,173 in an unpretentious manner. This really makes Algorand, Algo, especially positioning at 46 in the digital currency market, which explicitly is very huge. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what by and large is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2023, what will Algorand especially be in every practical sense worth in 2023 in a very huge way? Is Algorand a by and large wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2023, really in opposition to prevalent thinking? Will Algo cost truly outperform its untouched high, which in a real sense is very critical? These sort of are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future in a for the most part large manner. Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2023. As per the Algorand conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Algo cost truly is supposed to sort of cross a truly normal value level of 15 cents. The normal exceptionally least value worth of Algorand, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to basically be 14 cents in a by and large significant manner. Besides, Algo can in every way that really matters arrive at Algorand, Algo, value expectation July 2023. With respect to July 2023, Algorand cost generally is estimate to essentially arrive at a practically the most minimal cost of 11 cents, which fundamentally is very critical. The Algo cost could really arrive at a by and large greatest cost of 13 cents, with the typical expected cost around 12 cents, essentially further appearance. How certainly is Algorand a very wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2023, which generally is genuinely critical. Algorand, Algo, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Algorand in August 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 12 cents and 13 cents, so these especially are our Algorand cost forecasts for Algo's future, or so they especially thought. While the in every practical sense normal exchanging cost ought to sort of be around 13 cents in an unobtrusive manner, Algorand value expectation September 2023. Algorand cost in a real sense is supposed to basically reach between 12 cents to 14 cents in September 2023. While the really normal cost of Algo for the September generally remains around 13 cents. Algo value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Algorand in a real sense is determined to all things considered be at around a sort of least worth of 13 cents kind of additional appearance. How Algorand value expectation September 2023. Algorand cost certainly is supposed to especially reach between 12 cents to 14 cents in September 2023. While the very normal cost of Algo for the September basically remains around 13 cents. Algo value gauge October 2023. In October 2023 the cost of Algorand sort of is estimated to be at around a very least worth of 13 cents, which certainly is very critical. The Algorand value worth can in a real sense arrive at a very limit of 14 cents, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of 13 cents in United States dollars, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Algorand value expectation November 2023. Algorand cost truly is supposed to in every practical sense reach between 14 cents to 15 cents in November 2023, while the especially normal cost of Algo for the November especially remains around 14 cents. Algorand, Algo, value expectation December 2023. The cost for Algorand in December 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 14 cents and 15 cents, showing how this explicitly makes Algorand, Algo, truly positioning at 46 in the cryptographic money market in an unobtrusive way. While the especially normal exchanging cost ought to be Algorand truly past value examination, in the sort of beyond 24 hours, the crypto basically has been for the most part diminished by 0.81% in its truly current worth, showing the way that the Algo cost could in every practical sense arrive at a sort of greatest cost of 13 cents, with the very normal expected cost around 12 cents, kind of additional appearance. How generally is Algorand and in every practical sense wise speculation or all things considered worth purchasing in 2023, or so they especially thought. In the event that we truly look at the essentially current market cap of the Algo with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap truly is likewise down in an extremely significant manner. From most recent 7 days, the Algo sort of was in fundamentally great vertical pattern and expanded by 2.88%, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algorand explicitly has shown areas of strength for essentially all goals and purposes potential of late. And this could be decent, an open door to explicitly dive right in and contribute, which truly is genuinely huge. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Algo truly diminished by 51.931%, disposing of an incredible sort of typical amount of 12 cents from its truly current worth, showing how Algo especially has a very complete market cap of $881,991,276, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $56,856,173, which by and large is very huge. This unexpected down implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be a sort of good, explicitly purchase a valuable open door for truly fast speculation, which for the most part is very critical. The 90 days cost change in every practical sense is near 53.68%. And the cost generally flowed from a really least sort of typical cost of 23 cents to truly most extreme certainly normal cost of 25 cents in the beyond 90 days, which especially is genuinely critical. Algorand certainly is somewhere near 39.46% with the by and large greatest essentially normal cost of the coin really was around 17 cents. And the sort of least extremely normal cost of fundamentally was around 16 cents in kind of beyond 4 months. Showing how from most recent 7 days, the Algo for the most part was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 2.88% in an unobtrusive manner. Algorand Value Estimate 2023 Facts. What will generally be Algorand really worth in 2023 in a fundamentally huge manner? The Algo cost in a real sense is gauged to by and large arrive at a kind of greatest degree of 15 cents, with truly least cost of 14 cents, toward the finish of 2023. Which basically shows that these basically are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future in a kind of significant manner. Does Algorand sort of have a future in an unobtrusive manner? As far as value, Algorand in a real sense has a remarkable, all things considered, potential to generally arrive at new levels, which explicitly is genuinely huge. It essentially is figure that Algo will increment in esteem, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. As per quite certain specialists and business examiners, Algorand can truly stir things up around town all plans and purposes, greatest cost of $4.61 till 2030, showing that this generally makes Algo truly positioning at 46 in the digital money market in an extremely significant manner. Is Algorand genuinely worth purchasing in 2023 in an essentially huge manner? Algorand's worth essentially is supposed to in every practical sense keep on extending, as lack will in general certainly empower cost rise, which explicitly shows that this for the most part makes Algo